welcome to Rawganique. Exciting news, we just got 3 new shoes in from our latest shipment from Europe. These are all handmade, 100% organic. The first pair that we have are the Snow White ballet flats. These are beautiful hemp herringbone canvas pattern. They've got the natural rubber sole with a tiny little heel, and they are lined with our most beautiful organic cotton fleece. Cozy, comfortable, and absolutely adorable. Up next, we've got these beautiful new ballet flats called the Belarus. They are 100% flat. If you can see, they're a bit different than our other shoes because they have no heel whatsoever. These are called zero drop shoes. These are hemp inside and out. The outside is our beautiful herringbone canvas, and inside it's unbleached, undyed. The color I'm showing you here is called beach stone. Both of these shoes feature our hand-cut natural rubber soles. And over here we've got the De Goya sneakers. These are 100% organic cotton. These come in a dark blue denim finish. It's quite dressy looking. These would look awesome with a suit or with a dressy pair of jeans. They've got a nice rubber sport sole. Very cushioning, very flexible, great for walking around any city. All of our shoes are 100% organic, vegan, sweatshop-free, handmade in Europe. If you want to know more about them, check out our website. We've got all the details up there, and you can order yours today.